Good day, everybody. Welcome to Keto Delicious. I have a lot of food in my kitchen on my island. I just got back from shopping. You're gonna see I threw everything out at first, and then I decided, you probably wouldn't be able to see it as well. So I went to Winco today, and I didn't record my Winco actual shop because I actually did that in another video. But what I did do today is I laid everything out that I purchased, and everything that I have here, excluding a couple items, will last me at least 2 to 3 weeks. So, and what I mean by that is, it's just my husband and I. So it depends on how many people you have in your family. But I wanted to talk today about, number one, I went shopping at Winco, and number two, I wanted to talk about how, a lot of people feel like keto is expensive, and I've kind of touched base with this a little bit too. But if you buy in bigger bulk, let me just kind of turn myself a little bit here. If you buy in bigger bulk, or you can go to different places and buy in bigger bulk as well. But I feel like, you can get a lot of the fats, a lot of the proteins, and, since we're not doing a lot of net carbs, we can load up on those kind of things. And, for me, my biggest fat is I love to snack on macadamia nuts, and so I buy those by the bulk. So I'm gonna take the camera here for a minute, and then I'm just gonna kind of slide over everything and show you that I have quite a variety of meats. I have chicken wings, I have salmon, I have pork tenderloin, I have pork chops, I have lots of lunch meat, I have beef Polish sausage, I have chicken breast, I have chicken thighs, I have a roast that can be broken down into 2 or 3 or sometimes even 4 for me and just my husband, and still, get in that range of my protein. Now, I also pulled out, a lot of people talk about Quest bars, so I also bought a couple of the Quest bars here, and those are go-tos if you're, running late. So sometimes that happens. Now, you have to take into consideration, because I've been doing this, I have a lot of my spices and some of my everyday things. So this is just an average of what I buy about every 2 or about 2.5 weeks. So I'm going to take the camera here and hold on just a moment. So I'm just going to go very slowly over the foods that I have. There's a big carton of eggs back there. Lots of salad, lots of chicken wings. Jesus, chicken wings will last 4 meals or so. Same way with the salmon. You can break that up into 3 or 4 meals. Couple meals here with the pork loin, lunch meat galore here. I have pepperoni over here. And then I have chicken thighs, and I have a pork tenderloin, and I have a piece of fish, halibut or cod, and I have some prosciutto. Now, I do have bacon in the fridge, so I didn't buy bacon. I have chicken breast. I have a big, huge bottom round steak. I do have a couple fruits there. And then your staples, your butter, your fats, your avocados, some broccoli, zucchini, and green pepper. Sour cream, I buy about 3 or 4 of those. I just sip those once every blue moon. Pickles I love. Black and green olives I love. I use anchovy paste, from time to time for Caesar salads. In there is some tuna fish. And then, of course, arugula, spinach, lettuce, lots of cheeses, tomato sauce, all my whipping cream half and half, and almond brie that I use on all my recipes, blue cheese, and some cheddar cheese. So with that said, I just wanted to touch base today, just do not a super long video, but just let you know that, you can do this, and you don't have to spend a ton of money. For this, I spent $126. And I don't feel like that's too bad for a couple weeks worth of food, depending on how many people you have in your family. For me, it would be a couple weeks probably, and some of the staples that I have at home. So I hope that helps, guys. You know, there's a list on my website for some of the last time I went shopping at Winco. I just pulled items out that were keto friendly and then I made a list out of them. So if you want to go to my website, I'll put the description or the link down below in the description so you can go and take a peek at a more extensive look of Winco. If you have Wincos around you and you're looking to shop at Winco, that would be a great option. All right, guys, so that is the end of our day 18. You saw the food that I brought home, getting ready and prepped for my next couple weeks of foods and recipes that I'm going to make you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope now it gives you a true meaning of keto does not have to be expensive. And be watching. If you have any questions about what I'm eating, ask in the comments. I'm happy to, to answer your comments if I haven't answered them on the video. And I look forward to day 19 tomorrow. So I hope you guys take care of yourself. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're enjoying the keto as much as I am. I'm just so excited every time I use a new recipe. So be sure to keep looking for my recipes, and I'm having an amazing day. I'm doing keto and I'm loving it. I'm enjoying every meal, just getting to the next meal and enjoying life. So with that, you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I love you guys. And if you haven't clicked the bell up above, do so that you never miss one of my videos. And I look forward to talking to you tomorrow on day 19. Bye, guys. See you later. Have a good day.